Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shahjahan, and you are watching our YouTube channel. So, today I am here with very wonderful strategy. Just use one candle and get huge profit. So, what we need in this strategy? We need just time frame 1 hour. So, don't compromise on the time frame because if you use this strategy other time frame, you can lose. So, as I told you in previous video, you have to just use 1 hour candle, and the requirement is trend should be bullish. As you can see here, trend is bullish. So after find the trend, simple you have to mark bullish order blocks. So you can see on the chart our first order block here, bullish order block, second is here, okay, third is here, 4 5, all order blocks here. So what is the strategy? Strategy is when you see buy candle on 1 hour and closing buy candle on the order block, you have to take trade on just one candle. As you can see, this is chart showing the result. This is one hour candle buy candle. After this target 0.12, this is your SL, and 0.26, this is almost 1 is to 2, and 2 points already, this is plus. So again this here is our bullish order block. You have just mark bullish order block and wait for the tab market in your bullish order block. So now you can see here is we got buy candle again. So here is our second trade. You can see the risk reward. SL is your 0.10 and your TP is 0.25. Almost 1 is to 2 and 5 points extra. So again you find a more candle, buy candle. This is very good candle. So when you find like this candle, so you can profit target 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 5 and more than 1 is to 6 with trailing SL. So if you don't apply the risk management, you will not success in the trading market. So as you can see here, this is your trigger entry after buy candle. SL just should be below the your order block, and TP is 1 is to 2 minimum, and you can place it 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5. So again we are finding another entry. So as you can see, the demand is here, and we have again the buy candle on the demand. So this is our again entry. You have to select the tool, the long position, and SL should be below your order block. So you can see here 0.32 is your SL and 0.41 is your TP. This is 1 is to 1.5 ratio. So you can trail your TP and the profits. So if you are able to hold and you are managing trade and SL trailing SL in the profits, so you can get more profit in this strategy. So again here the last candle after the BOS, again you find the here is you got the last candle, this is buy candle. So this is your again entry. So you can see SL is minimum below your order block. So risk reward is 0.17 is your SL and 0.40 this is your TP. So I'm trying always the easy way for the entry. So if you follow the rules, the rule is time frame should be just 1 hour. Don't compromise in the time frame. And when you find on order block buy candle, so you have to alert and you have to take entry buy side from 1 is to 2. You have to target 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5. So again here you can see the buy candle form on the order block. So this is your again entry and you can see the target 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5. You can easily make money from the this market on gold pair. I don't recommend any more coin, any more pair. You have to apply this just on gold because this is give you accuracy 90 plus in gold and trend should be bullish. Don't take it, don't try it bearish trend. So we will meet again with a new video. So till then, Allah Hafiz.